We got a beautiful Bronco horse trailer that we're working on. I'm gonna check brakes. Got a couple lights that I need to swap out. That one's broken right there. That one's broken right there. I need to do a breakaway kit. Probably put a 7-way terminal box on here. Make sure everything's working. Let's get it up in the air. I know 2 brakes may be working, but this trailer's been sitting in a field for years, so I'm gonna assume it's gonna need new backing plates. Let's get to it. Driver's side front. I hope still good. All right, I am hoping that this backing plate is good because there's an Alco 4-bolt flange. It looks okay. I don't think they've been working, but let's hope and pray that the other 3 look as good as this front one. We're hoping everything looks good. All right, I'm gonna say brakes are good on this. We just need to do some wiring. We'll fix this up, make it look good, make it function well. These backing plates look pretty much new. They just haven't been working. Magnets look flat. Hub and drums look good. Let's try the other side down. Passenger side front. Yeah, brakes are good. Passenger side rear. Please don't be the only one that's bad. Magnets are good. Backing plates are good. I don't know where that spider went. Passenger side's clean. Driver side's clean. Seals are 2 1/4 on these axles. It looks like whoever did this last used 2 1/8 and just smashed them on there. Oh, it's so nice having a van. It's raining outside right now, and I can work in peace. I probably should grab my vacuum and vacuum all this stuff out. And if I find that spider, I'm gonna kill that spider. Let's see what kind of bearings these are. Looks like 15123. 15123, perfect. Inner race, inner bearing, inner seal, out. All races are out. 25520 on the races on the inner. Let's get them installed. Inner races are in. 15245. Races are in. Two 1/4 seal going in. Inner bearings are packed. Seals installed. All bearings are packed. All hubs are packed. New dust caps, new cotter pins. Washers are clean. Spindle nuts are clean. Let's go get them installed. $50. $50. And back out. Back off. Roughly hand tight. Driver's side front. Cotter pin is verified. Back off, hand tight. Driver's side rear, cotter pin verified. Driver's side's on. 50. Back off a little bit. Back off, hand tight. Back off just a little bit. Passenger side rear, cotter pin is verified. Passenger side front, cotter pin is verified. This little piece of 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch square tubing is packed full of dirt and I can't get anything through it. I'm gonna rewire these brakes. Plan is to run it like this and then I'll just put some loom locks. Good, and we'll loom lock that and then we'll just daisy chain all the way through. Each of these backing plates were independently grounded to the frame and I wanna just do one ground. All right, driver's side is wired up. All connections are shrunk wrap. I'm gonna run it across the rear axle and then run it towards the front. And that'll be a better connection than what it has now. All right, we're jumping a little ahead. Rewired the whole brake system, rewired the whole front of the trailer, and put new 12-gauge wire all the way in, shrunk wrap all the connections, ran it across the axle. I got a coworker, cute little puppy. Ran wiring all the way front, all the way underneath, put a brand new breakaway system and 7-way terminal there, and a new 7-way plug. Slowly but surely getting this done. Wiring takes forever. I don't have left turn working, but I have the wire for the markers working. So I'm thinking it might be just as simple as a wiring issue at the light itself, because everything else works correctly on the circuits. The light's coming on, good. Driver side's good. Driver side rear is good. Left turn's on and working. Markers through and marker lights work. Right turns on. Markers are good. Markers are good down passenger side. Front passenger side's working. Rear passenger side's working. Brakes are on, locked up, locked up. Brakes are off. Free spinning. Come on, free spinning. Driver side rear, free spinning. Driver side front, free spinning. Brakes are on, locked up, rear locked up. Brakes are off. Free spinning. Torque and lug nuts. Plug nuts torque. Let's do the run on that trailer. Took me a little longer than expected. That's 7:45 right now. Reran all the new brake circuit. I had to put a new 7-way terminal on the front. New breakaway kit. New bearings, new seals, new grease. The brakes were fine. Hub and drums were fine. 2 new lights and 1 new 3-way marker light. All circuits work. This job's done. I'm on to the next.